Hey guys, it's Nini. I wanted to do this quick get ready with me using the Morphe Jeffree Star palette. I'm going to just jump into it. I'm going to start off using the NYX Pore Filler Primer and applying that to my T-zone. And then I'll be taking the Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation and dotting this all over my face. This foundation has been discontinued. It's been reformulated though. I don't have the new formula. I'm just trying to use this one up before I purchase any more foundations. I'm blending it in with a Morphe Beauty Sponge. Next, I'll be taking my Urban Decay Concealer, Naked Concealer in the shade Light, and applying this under my eyes, on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and my chin, the center of my chin, and I will be blending it out with my Morphe Beauty Sponge. Some people like to apply it in a triangle shape under their eyes, and I used to do that too, but I thought that was a little bit too much product for me, so I just swoop it under my eyes and use the sponge to move it around in a triangle shape, and I feel like it has the same effect with less product. Next, I'll be taking my tapered blush brush by BH Cosmetics. I like this to set my under eye. I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder and just packing it under. I feel like it's the perfect shape to get under my eye and close up right to my lash line. And then I'll be taking a BH Cosmetics powder brush and using Laura Mercier translucent powder to set the rest of my face. Next, I'll be adding a lot more powder under my eye to catch any fallout from the eyeshadows. And now I'm doing my brows. I'm brushing out my brows with BH Cosmetics Spoolie. And then I'll be using a large angled brush from Coastal Scents to be filling them in using the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette in the shade Crave. I like to outline my brow shape and then I fill it in, applying more pigment in the tail and lightly feathering it out towards the front of my brows. Next, I'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape to prime my lids and blending it out with a Real Techniques eyeshadow blending brush. I'll be taking my Morphe Jeffree Star palette. I noticed in some other tutorial reviews about this palette that the shadows seem to work better on a tacky base, so usually I set my eye primer, but today I chose not to. So I'm going on with the BH Cosmetics fluffy blending brush and dipping into channel for my transition shade. And I'm going to pack it into the crease, stamping in that pigment, and then blend it out. Next, I'll be taking Self-Made on a Morphe M433 brush and placing the color on my outer and inner corner for a halo effect. I went back and forth between the Morphe M433 and a BH Cosmetic pencil brush. I use the pencil brush on my inner corners to help keep the look clean and reduce fallout. I'm taking the Morphe M433 to blend it out, making sure I don't have any harsh lines. And then I just keep on building that pink with Self-Made. And then I felt like I lost some of my original transition shades, so I went with my Morphe M573 to add a little bit more of that orange shade that I first went in with. In the shade Channel, I think. Yeah, shade Channel. And then with the BH Cosmetic pencil brush, I'm picking up Mogul to deepen the corners of my eyes. Jamming out to Hocus Pocus, I put a spell on you right there. And then using a BH Cosmetics mini flat concealer brush, I'm going to dip into the shade 2 and apply it at the center of my lids. I'm going to apply it dry and then apply more with the wet brush and blend out the outer edges. I'm going to use the Mario Badescu setting spray to foil my shadow for this. And then I'm going to use my Sigma F70 brush and picking up the shade Welcome for my brow bone. I like how it applied on the first eye, but it didn't look as nice on the second one, so I grabbed a different shadow. I used Light of the Party from the Morphe 35 Boss Mood palette. And then I'm wiping away all that excess powder from my under eye. I'm taking Milani shadow brush and taking the shade Mogul and running it under my lower lash line. And then taking my Sigma brush, highlighting my inner corners with Light of the Party from the 35 Boss Mood palette. And then taking a LA gel liner in deep brown, I'm running that on my lower waterline. And then I'm taking a flat liner brush. I wasn't sure if I should use Vroom Vroom or Hi Dude, so I actually mixed both and placed that on my lower lash line to help intensify my lash line. And then going back with my Milani brush with no product, just blending out those two colors. Next, I'm taking my Morphe brush, Morphe M523, and my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer to warm up my face and my forehead. And then with my Real Techniques Insta Pop Cheek Blush Brush, I'm applying Milani's Luminoso. And then I'm taking my Anastasia A23 brush and using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter to highlight my cheekbones, my temples, and above my eyebrow. And then using a Real Techniques Insta Pop eyeshadow crease brush. I love it because it's so small, and it's perfect for highlighting the bridge of my nose and the bridge and tip of my nose. And then I'm using the Too Faced sketch marker in black to line my eyes and more LA Girl liner on my top waterline. And then using L'Oreal Lash Paradise waterproof formula. Going in with these lashes from Amazon. and I had applied the Duo Lash Glue in the dark finish, so while I'm letting my lashes get tacky, I am setting my face with some setting spray. I also decided to fix my hair a little bit, parting a little section and twisting it and securing it with a mini hair clip. And of course, no look is complete without a pair of hoop earrings. I got these from Forever 21. And now it's time to curl my lashes. Taking my lash tweezers from Ulta, I'm placing my false lash on my lash line from the center and then securing the inner and outer corners. And then I'm applying that L'Oreal waterproof mascara on my lower lash line. I'm moving on to lips, and I'm lining them with the NYX liner in the shade Ever. And then I'm going in with MAC lipstick in the shade Love You Back. And then topping that with my Viva Glam Ariana Grande MAC lip gloss. And that completes my look, you guys. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you on the next one. Hi guys, I just wanted to show you the rest of my outfit after I finished the makeup. This is a completed makeup look. I am just wearing this pink t-shirt that I got from Victoria's Secret, these shorts that I got from Ross, as well as these Monica shoes. These two are from Ross. And my jewelry, just some basic hoop earrings that I got from Forever 21. And that's it. See you later. Bye!